It's like I'm embracing, I'm dragging on the energy with me. I'm out physically, but energy-wise, I'm not. I'm still with that prison energy, which can pull you back to prison. Correction sigis. Wena ka silwanela hore ba o tsholla wena. Chup chup. Wena, you are wrong times 4 now, because it's you. Khela umathisa batho hore ba tshola. Batho ba re ba lwana o ba thiba re ska lwana o lwanela mosadi akere wena o no lwanela eng kapo wa o betege. Come on guys, so good luck my brother. So now my brother, abantu, they were against me a lot, saying okay, I'm jealous of Chup because he's making it, you know. And it was not about that, guys. And now here's a celebrity, uChup. Uyathandwa mfethu intwana zethu sakwazi yabo esinathi sikwazi from time, you know. Correction sigisi maswiti amnandi you mix. Then I said oh, but I love you my brother, I'm telling you. That is why I was talking about you. That is why I was seeing danger about what you are doing. I knew that you'll be going back to jail, my brother, according to my experience. Hence I was explaining Orange.